The Ki8 Stinger is a mid-size/compact executive four-door fastback manufactured by Ki8 Motors. Overview. Designed by Peter Schreyer and Gregory Guillaume, Ki8's chief designer at Ki8's European studio in Frankfurt, and engineered by former BMW Vice President of Engineering Albert Biermann. The car was unveiled at the 2017 North American International Auto Show. Biermann is now Executive Vice President of Performance Development and High Performance Vehicles of the Hyundai Motor Group. The Stinger uses a shortened version of the Hyundai Genesis front-engine, rear-wheel drive platform with additional steel reinforcement and is offered with a choice of two engines. The 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 255 horsepower, 259 PS, 190 kilowatts, and a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 that generates 365 horsepower, 370 PS, 272 kilowatts for the AWD variant. For the European and Korean markets, the Stinger will be offered with a base 2.2-liter CRDi diesel I4 that produces 197 horsepower, 200 PS, 147 kilowatts. GT models are equipped with Brembo brakes and Michelin tires, 18-inch on the base model, 17-inch on the CRDi model, and 19-inch on the V6 model. The sole transmission is an 8-speed automatic with 5 driving modes and paddle shifters. Source: Wikipedia.